So I've just taken delivery of my Scheppach wood splitter. The model number is the HL760L, and I've got a few Scheppach tools already. They seem quite reliable, so I'm going to open the box in a minute and set it up and see how it works. So the box is quite heavy, as you would expect. Just opening the box now and taking some bits and pieces out, and I'll have a go at putting it together. Right, so having got it out the box, I can say that it's very sturdy because I barely lift it out of the box. It says it's 50 odd kilograms, but it feels more than that. But anyway, here we go. Like all good DIYs, I've thrown the instruction manual away straight away, so I'll see if I can fit it together. Okay, so having turned it upside down, first thing it suggests you do is screw the handle on, which I've just done. Okay, so having secured the side panel, and there was already a nut in there, you just have to loosen that off and then put the bracket on, and then another nut in to secure that bracket. Makes it quite sturdy. Okay, next bit. So once you've got the first panel on, or plate on, the next plates become a bit more obvious because you offer them up and they fit into the bit where the blade is at the far end. So again, I just need to find the right bolts, and it looks like there's a couple of pre-drilled holes, one that side and one again on the other side. So let's have a go at that. Okay, so first mistake, I used one of the black bolts with the Allen key to secure the bracket on, but I think I should have saved that bolt and used one of the silver ones, because you need another black bolt when you secure this bit on underneath there. Okay, just have to put the other couple of brackets in, and to do that you just have to loosen up one of the bolts here. It's got like a square bit to it, so just undo it, put it back in with the bracket on top and secure it, and just do that both sides. Okay, so I plugged it in, and we're going to give it a go. There's a little sort of release valve here which you can turn just to release the pressure. And the other thing that, having pressed the button to turn it on, you also obviously need to lift this up, oops, or down rather, in order to release the ram head. So let's have a go at actually chopping something. I would put the safety cage on, but I'm not going to bother at the moment. I'll do that in a minute. Okay, so for our first attempt, I've just got a log. It's a pretty old bit of log actually. I could probably split that with an axe, I expect, but who knows. Let's have a go. So press the button in and release the handle. Release the handle to let it draw back again. Okay. Well, it's a good start. Okay, so I've been using the splitter for a few logs already. I thought I'd try it on some of these bigger ones I found lying around the garden. I cut this tree down at least 2 years ago, and these logs have just been sitting there ever since. So this one here that's on the machine at the moment is around about 43 centimetres wide. It's not quite as deep, about 25, but it's still quite a substantial piece of wood because I could barely lift it. So what I'm going to do now is just see if I can cut it. I'm not expecting to cut it straight through in one go. I think it's going to take a couple of passes. Let's have a go. Okay, so I've been working for about an hour. It's nice and sunny today, good day to do it. Some of the logs were quite wet actually, and I struggled to get through them, but I did get through nearly all of them apart from that one there, and that's 40 odd wide by 30 deep, and it just looks like a beast, so I'm going to have to cut that one up. I would say it's a pretty good machine, fairly reliable, and if you're not doing commercial work, you're just doing it for yourself, I would recommend it.